But you can't really see it.
There, look.
That's just stuff they're shooting off in the street.
Oh. That's like a sparkle there, though. Kayla, come on.
I didn't say you'd come over here.
I want to come with you.
Why?
Just so.
We're just walking next to him. So, homie.
Yeah, homies.
I think the dad's trying to see if lighting the fireworks.
It'd be cool if we can just walk up and down the street and see if we can find fireworks. What are they fussing about over there?
I don't know, bro. Don't care.
Okay. Here comes Kayla.
Who?
Kayla.
Oh, I said hey.
Hey. Kayla.
Where you get that old boy?
What?
Camera.
Because I wanted it.
I'm recording a YouTube video.
Yeah. There's a creepy house.
It's sad we didn't buy,
I wasn't buying fireworks.
Yeah.
Too hot and too dry.
I want to start collecting.
We could have at least got sparklers. We're going back into the dark alley, Kayla. Whoa, where?
Run.
See back there?
Yeah, over here.
Both spots. See, there's some more.
You guys should have see look at it. Right there.
There.
Dang, that was a lot of
Green,
noise.
red.
That was a lot of noise.
Is this not like a thing?
You would normally hear it go.
Since their fence is in the way, you can't see the fireworks.
Doesn't matter, you can just go all the way up here. You can come up here. But you can't really see it. Someone's lighting something. It's bad. I'm mad that Josh, Ashley, and Gwen moved.
Yeah, it's bad.
Yeah. Then again, but we can always go see them. They're always near the lake, so you probably wouldn't go. Okay, you probably wouldn't even go to see them because they're by the lake.
I don't know.
What are you talking about by the lake?
Just talking
Gwen,
about
Ashley,
Gwen.
and Josh. Whee! Pretty. Whoa!
I hear something, I can't see anything.
Oh, look, there's a pilot.
This is really interesting.
Yeah, there's an alien coming to attack us. Ah! No,
I
last
wish aliens were real.
last July 4th, you know what Gwen said? There was like this little thing that was passing.
That's the coolest spot in the house right there.
What?
Watch fireworks go off while you're flying.
Oh gosh, no.
You can see fireworks for miles.
Still, that's creepy. Shouldn't it blow your
Oh
top?
boy, if a plane was flying natural right now, they'd probably see it downtown.
Oh,
You can sit there at the
pretty.
airport. Watch it blow.
It'd be good if we went out for dinner somewhere. For 4th of July. No, last 4th of July, you know what Gwen said? That if every 4th of July an alien is gonna come and attack us.
Seriously, when we go to, if we go to Florida and we fly on an airplane, I'm gonna bring tons of snacks.
Kayla, they have airplane food.
And then all I have to do
Kayla, they have airplane food.
is provide it.
Oh my God!
Hush!
That scared the crap out of me. That scared me.
How did that scare you to say?
Look.
On the house.
Byron.
No.
You sat there. Oh my gosh.
No, that was just scary. Okay, I'll be right back.